Hello, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we will talk about how to change your life. Breakthroughs do not change your life. Little habits do. Do you wish to change your life? You want to do a complete 180-degree turn and exude silky smooth confidence as you succeed in a new career with a new car, spouse, and dog because the old one smells like a dead rat. When most people decide to change their lives, they frequently concentrate on all the outside factors, such as finding a new job, moving to a new area, making new friends, finding love, and so on. The truth is that altering your perspective is the first step towards transforming your life. The precise methods to start changing your life right away are listed below. 1. Seek out more rejection. Send an email to 1 or 2 people you'd like to collaborate with each day, even if you know they have no reason to reply. It might be possible employment, a group where you'd like to speak, a booking agent, a client you'd love to work with, or even a book. Although you might hear back later, someone will ultimately respond. You could earn a lot, but you have nothing to lose. 2. Compose a paragraph. Write a few sentences every day, whether you have a book you've always wanted to write, a business idea you've had on the back of your mind for a while, or even a blog you want to start. You will naturally gain momentum and find that you can write more quickly, but resolve to only start with 1 paragraph. 3. Rather than choosing comfort now, choose comfort for your future self. Start prioritizing the needs and desires of your future self over the ones you have today if you want to alter your life. What brought you here was considering how you are feeling and what you desire right now. Instead, resolve to make decisions that will help your future self. It is self-destruction to believe that being present entails ignoring anything but your most primitive feelings and needs. 4. Show more interest. When you receive a text message from someone, reply right away. As often as you can, respond to critical emails as they arrive. By doing this, you can avoid a backlog of tasks that must be completed. 5. React less quickly. Before you respond to something that makes you angry or upset right away, even if it's only a lousy notion, consider it. It will prevent you from reacting and focusing all your attention on it. Determine where it comes from and think about who you are serving by your response. The minute delay between a stimulus and your response, which you may practice, will transform how you perceive everything. 6. Provide your basic requirements. Although you are not a machine, your body and life require certain fuels to function. When you are hungry, eat. When you are exhausted, go to bed. Denying the significance of your most fundamental needs for survival does not indicate that you are essential or busy. Instead, it suggests that you are uneducated and putting yourself at risk for a breakdown or burnout. 7. Do what you want to do when you feel like it. The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins says that people are often held back by the brief interval between when they get a brilliant thought and when their brain starts interfering. According to her, you must act on your beliefs before you can persuade yourself not to advance in life truly. 8. Do something when you don't. Yet, it's equally important to realize that just because you don't feel like doing something doesn't imply you can't. Your skill is unaffected by your emotions. 9. Read on. It's okay if you are different from the type of person who can finish a book. Follow individuals on social media who publish or spread intriguing content and concepts. Early in the morning, read the news. While traveling, listen to a book on audio. Your reading habits directly impact your ability to grow as a person, and external success directly impacts your ability to grow as a person. 10. Reduce scrolling. Although flipping through TV stations used to be a meaningless pastime, skimming through news feeds has replaced it. Strive to keep your daily scroll time to a minimum. Consider installing one of those browser extensions that limit the time you can spend on a website in a day, or one of those apps that keep track of how frequently you open social media apps. Although you don't have to eliminate them, you should avoid wasting time each day ineffectively doing nothing. 11. Take note of your trends. When you see yourself procrastinating or participating in unhealthy behavior, please don't be hard on yourself, instead, pay attention to what triggers it. When feeling most relaxed, inspired, or frustrated, pay attention to what you're doing. Consider yourself a stranger and approach your life as a subject you are researching. Learn your triggers and how you respond to them to manage your life better. 12. Be comfortable saying no. Each day, your vitality is limited. Ensure that it is only going to the causes you genuinely love. You shouldn't feel guilty about declining some requests. In the end, it is a strategy for preserving oneself. 13. Clearly and consistently communicate your ideas. Ideas are excellent, but they will only do you good if you can express them clearly or develop an action plan to put them into practice. 14. Utilize what you have. The next time you feel the temptation to go shopping for dinner or a new weekend outfit, set a small challenge for yourself, even if you don't particularly want to. Wear what's in your closet or eat what's in your pantry. 15. Ask yourself at the start of each day, how can I transform my life today? Get rid of the idea that you must get through the day and adopt the perspective that the hours ahead are ripe with opportunities to make decisions that will improve your life. Your desire to view things differently and your efforts to improve them are the only things that differ. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.